In today's digital financial environment, users often look for platforms that combine accessibility, clear structure, and practical tools in one place. BlazeRus Holdings presents itself as a fully online platform designed for people who want a flexible way to explore financial markets and manage account activity through a browser-based experience. One of the first advantages of BlazeRus Holdings is that no software installation is required. The platform works directly through a web browser, which makes access simple from different devices with an internet connection. This can be especially useful for users who prefer convenience, mobility, and a clean setup process without downloads or additional programs. The platform also provides practical, market-related tools, including asset information, price movements. The platform also provides practical market-related tools, including asset information, price movement,